Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is an exciting day for me. So, what you see here is my new grip case from dbrand. Now, if you've seen me in the past, you know that I have the grip case for my iPhone 15 Pro Max. What happened was that a piece of my phone case broke off. And this is why I will always be a supporter of dbrand and why I love this company, and I use their products on anything that I can use them on, basically. Because this broke off, I reached out to dbrand asking if that was normal, asking what the warranty was and everything like that. I gave them my order number and they immediately sent me out a new case with the skin. Now, this is where this comes in. This just came in, and usually I don't get to do an unboxing for any of my products because, well, I'm just too impatient and I can't wait to get them on my devices or whatnot, which I'm going to work on so I can make new videos. But here we are, we're going to do the unboxing for this. Again, this is the dbrand grip case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And if you haven't seen yet, on the 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max, and I think the regular 16, all the ones that have the camera control button, which I think is all the models of the 16, they now have the camera control button. And as per Technically T, check out his channel too. Really good videos. That button works fantastic. Now, I don't have that case. I'm not upgrading to the 16, so I can't show you that. He says that the button works fantastic, and I take his word for it. He's tested all sorts of different cases. So here we go. Let's get into this. And if you ever get a chance and you want to take the time to check out everything that they write on here, some of it can be a little interesting. In fact, it's an entire story. I don't know if it continues up here, but it looks like it starts on this side and then continues onto the back side. Let me know in the comments if you guys have gotten something from dbrand. Have you ever read what was on the packaging? If you have, let me know. Just give me a quick synopsis. I'm curious. But I'm going to save it so that I can read it. But as usual, you get this really nice kind of premium feeling box. You can see here it says grip, has the dbrand naming and logo on it and everything. Now look at this. I don't know many people who send their products in a magnetic box. I mean, that's just awesome. You open it up, you have their contacts, all of this. You can see the magnet, so it's right there. But just how cool is this? You know what I mean? Just like so cool. And then here we have it. Here's the case. Brand new. I mean, just a phenomenal case. Feels fantastic. And then we have the skin, the alpine skin. And I just to death love this skin. All right, so let's put this, such a nice box. And I'm sure there's things you could use this for. Like I'm sure you could store other things in here. I'm probably going to store my old phone case in here, so keep it as a backup in case something happens to this one. Yeah, let's get the skin on. And these are easy, but not easy to put on. You'll see. All right, so we're just gonna peel this off. You know what, maybe I'm gonna start it this way. That might be my best one as of today, because I have these on a lot of my other products. And that just went on super smooth, super easy. Oh my goodness. I just love how this looks. Now, to get around the camera area here, let me get something. When you get a screen protector or something like that, you usually get one of these or something similar to it with the packaging. And I've come to find that not only is it good to squeegee the screen protector that you get, but it helps you really kind of install and get in tight spaces with the dbrand skins. So just kind of go over it. Make sure everything is sticking nicely. Smooth it out. All right, so as you can see, the sticker is on. There's no bubbles, nothing like that. Looks and feels absolutely fantastic. Now, the sticker for the camera cutout, I'm gonna hold on to this because in case something happens to the one that I already have on it. But as you can see, I already have it here on my phone and there's no point in taking it off. It's still in great shape, still looks good. And this is another one of those areas where you might need to use this to put on the sticker, to put on the skin. If you're ever just installing it on your bare iPhone or whatever, to get in between and to be able to just make sure everything comes down and sticks. So let me clean this front off. Oh, and also in the packaging, I didn't grab it and I forgot to mention it, but you get a cloth, a cleaning cloth. And believe it or not, like, it seems kind of silly and everything, but these cleaning cloths that they give you are actually really nice. As you can see, I wear glasses and I need to clean them regularly. And with all the products that I've gotten from dbrand, I probably have about a dozen of these. Now we're just going to pop that in there. Again, real nice, snug fit. I mean, really, one of the best cases, and in my opinion, my favorite case of all time. I mean, literally, when I upgrade to the iPhone 17 Pro, Pro Max, whatever one I choose, I'm getting the grip case, and I pray to God they still have the alpine skin, because I just, seriously, chef's kiss. I love this case. I love the skin. I love the dbrand products. Thank you so much, dbrand, for sending this out to me so that I have a complete case and one that's not broken. It really means a lot, and I'm sincerely grateful. So, dbrand, if you ever watch this video, thank you. Guys, hopefully you like this video. This was really fun to make, really fun to get onto my phone. So, thank you guys again. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell so you get notified when I put out new videos. And I am going to try to continue to put out videos weekly. All right, thanks again, guys. Bye.